Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide photo on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your photo library, or whenever you open it, now you just need to find which picture I want to hide. So for example, I would like to hide this picture, so you just need to click the picture until you get the full access of this picture, and then you will see that there here are two buttons, and then you just need to go click these three small dots. And whenever you click it, there will be like several options that pop up on your screen right here, and now you just need to go click hide and confirm that you want to hide this photo. And now this photo is already hidden. They will be not showing in your photo library. So that's the way how to hide photo on an iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comments, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.